Welcome to Giant Machine YouTube channel.
The scene unfolded quickly, leaving everyone both surprised and concerned about the situation. The powerful cat machine with a 500 horsepower engine is carrying out the demolition of the old house. Its superior strength makes the work fast and efficient. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're impressed by these machines. Wow. The Sinotruk 336 dump truck is unloading impressively, with the gravel bed in the back making it sway with every movement. This is a tough challenge. We are witnessing the truck pulling the Kamaz CH3 through rough terrain with patience and driving skills. With its powerful engine and flexible steering system, I'm gradually overcoming obstacles, ensuring the vehicle can safely reach its destination. The Kurgenstroy service column, with its sturdy and robust design, successfully crossed the river with excellent stability. Thanks to its high-power engine system and flexible operation capability, this service column ensured the task of crossing the river was completed safely and efficiently.